So hi, welcome everyone. So today I will be just telling in brief what it is blueprint. I'm not gonna go detail. So next Saturday I will be going in detail. Today I had to leave a bit early, but yes, these 15 minutes also you will find very useful. And I learned this concept from T. Harv Eker. And first time when I read the book Secret of Millionaire Mind, that is when I got to know blueprint. Okay, there is something called money blueprint, and it is inside each one of us. And this is like a money thermostat that each one of us has. What is money thermostat? Let me just clarify for you that word, that jargon. So money thermostat is like it's a summer. Now you must be having AC in your rooms. So let's say if you set the temperature at 20 degree, so even if someone open the door or you open the window and some warm air comes in and it becomes the temperature goes up, let's say 25, 28, 30. But as soon as you close the door, it will start resetting itself. The temperature will start slowing down and it will reach at 20. So again, if some situations happen, again someone comes in, temperature may increase for a while, but again, as you have set the temperature at 20 degree, so it will return to 20. Similarly, all of us have this money blueprint. So money blueprint could be of three types. It could be for financial success. It could be for financial mediocrity. It could be for financial failure. So out of these three, you could have any one. And how you will know what you have? The simplest way to look in your life. If you are having financial success, you may be having the right blueprint. If you are having mediocrity, so that is your blueprint. And if you are not having success or even mediocrity, you are struggling with money, that is mean your blueprint is set for failure. So it doesn't matter how much hard work you are putting in, how much you are learning, but until you are having the right mindset, until you are working on your blueprint, nothing is gonna be changed. Let me give you one another analogy here. So suppose like you have made a program and let's say you have make a document, very nice document, and you print it. But when the printout came, you didn't like some of the things. You felt like this line was a mistake. I should rub it. And you try rubbing it. And again, when you press the print button, again the same thing is happening. So what you are trying in your outer world to change the result. Okay, when that print is coming, you are trying to change that print. But you are not changing the program. You are not changing that PDF file that is inside you. That is inside the computer. So every time, even if you are trying hard to rub that print, doing everything, getting this world class eraser to erase that thing, but again, if you print, the same outcome will come. You will always be receiving same outcome. So your outcome could be like money, good or bad, relationship, health, anything. Anything that you see in your physical world is the result. And those results are basically coming from your inner world, from your roots. And let me give you one more example here. So let's say there is a carpenter, he is having world class tools, the best tools in the world, but he doesn't know how to use them or doesn't know how to use them effectively. So he may not be able to craft that world class furniture with that. So it is not enough just to be at the right place at the right time, but you also need to be the right person at the right time to receive all these things. So simplest way I have already told you, you just need to see in your life. And again, just seeing in your life, you may feel like, okay, I'm not yet able to understand. Okay, I could see I'm struggling with finances or I'm having good finances, but I'm not feeling so good about money. So there are multiple things. And all these things comes from our childhood conditioning and from our influence, from peer influence, whatever we have gone through. So whenever we came in this world, we are abundant. It is nothing like poor, rich. Every soul is rich. It is just the conditioning that we have gotten from past. So we have set one blueprint and we have set this money thermostat for ourselves. But today you have a choice. Today you can have a choice to understand your money blueprint, take some step to change it. Okay, so how you can do that? Let me just share my slide with you. So again, let me tell you simply what is money blueprint. Money blueprint is nothing but your thoughts, beliefs, and values around money. So what does it mean when I say thoughts? Your thoughts about money. Money is good or money is evil. It is easy to earn money or it is hard to earn money. How are the rich people? Money and rich people are nothing but the same. What feelings you are having for the rich people? Do you feel they are greedy, they are corrupt, or you feel they are inspiring? I also want to be one of them. So you need to see. And beliefs about money. How are your beliefs about money? Is it empowering or disempowering? You feel I can't handle lots of money. If I have more money, how will I handle that? So you need to see that. And how are your values around money? How you receive money? How you give money? So most of us feel happy when receiving money, but again, some people feel guilty about receiving money. They can't receive money easily. Even if their husband is giving or their parents are giving, they feel some restrictions. They feel blockage. They feel a heaviness while receiving also. And some people feel very heavy while giving the money. Whenever they have to give money, they don't feel so good. Yes, Rachna, you can ask. You are having something?
Yes, when you said that receiving part, no, even I am going through the same thing, I can say. In spite of, as you also know that yesterday we had a conversation, and I also deal with high ticket clients. But मेरा problem क्या हो रहा है पता है? So while asking that much of amount, I am not getting. I am getting so many thoughts. As it is my first client also, will I be able, lot of self doubts, you see, I am charging this much amount for her, will I be able to give the results or not? And so will she be successful, or what if she means in the future, what if she assumes that ये तो पैसे लिया उतना काम नहीं किया, but somewhere I know that I have to give her not 100, 200%. I have to give her, because see, the when it comes to the coaching sector also, it is between the mentor and mentee, right?
Yes.
So whatever we are giving, the receptor also the same thing. He has to, he or she has to take the right kind of action. Then only the results will come into the picture.
Yes. So
So
for you, yes, yes, you complete first.
या सो दिस इज माई, जब भी मुझे पैसे का वो आता है ना, पूछने का समय आता है, जब मैं व्हेन आई डू द लीड जेन्स एंड ऑल, जब भी मैं मार्केटिंग करती हूँ, आई फील काइंड ऑफ, इज इट अ हेजिटेंट काइंड ऑफ थिंग, और इज इट अ मनी ब्लॉकेज आई एम नॉट गेटिंग व्हेन आई गेट टू द सेल्स कॉल ऑल्सो, to ask the high amount na, I feel like someone is throwing one hard stone on my head. How can I ask that particular
Yes, so
person
definitely
in,
there is a blockage, and
huh,
also there is something related with our self-worth. When we don't feel I am worthy, and because the results is not in our hand, what is in our hand, I can give my 100%. The work you have to do. Even if I am giving my 200%, 500%, 1000%, you are just listening and not doing anything, nothing is gonna change for you. So it is
hmm,
not always about what we are giving, but the person who is receiving, if she or he is taking the responsibility. And when there is a money exchange and when you charge high ticket, and also now I'm starting, so the thing that I have also experienced in my life, when I pay more, I become more responsible. I become, okay, this is
that's
more
true.
valuable, I have to do
Yeah, yeah.
everything whatever they are saying. Even the
Hmm,
same thing I have tell many people in free also, but they may not be doing the same thing.
hmm, hmm.
Right. So in today's
Yeah,
session
yeah.
also I will be telling many things, but you will feel okay, ठीक है, I get to know something, but you may not take the action. So results only
Hmm,
will come when you take action. So similarly, I
hmm.
can't take responsibility. I can take responsibility. Yes, this method works. Whatever I'm saying is true. Whatever I'm teaching, I am sure it has worked 100%. In my life, it has worked, and I have also seen many people, and I have so many examples in the world, all over the world, this thing works. But for you, if it will work or not, it depends on you. How much you are receiving, how much you are taking action. So, for you, one thing you can work on yourself. Whatever you are offering is like good. It is gonna help them. Don't think will they be able to achieve the results. It depends on them how much action they are taking. So you just be focused on yourself. Okay, how much more I can give, what more I can give, how more I can make her active, how can I motivate her, how can I inspire her to take action. So from your part, you don't worry about the results, you worry about, do not worry, but plan about how you can motivate her, how you can motivate your clients to take action. So that as a mentor or as a coach, our duty to help them get inspired, motivate. It is not like just boring that lecture. Okay, I know blueprint. Okay, I'm just telling Rachina, this is blueprint. You have to do this. And now 100% it is up to you. If you are doing, you will get result. It is not like that also. So you will do your part and you will do everything to motivate them to take action. So in the session only you will make them do exercises, and later on also you will be giving the exercises, you will following up with them. So lot many things are there. And definitely money blueprint blockages may also be there, because if you don't feel that good while receiving, so there is definitely something that is holding you back. There are limiting beliefs. It could be anything related with you or related with your past experiences or anything. Even most people don't feel good while giving money. Even I was also earlier, when I was doing shopping, I was getting good dresses, and then I used to feel guilty कि okay, बहुत सारा पैसा waste कर दिया. And
हाँ
what is
ना
the
that
point?
हाँ in that part and all I have when it comes to the spending part ना I spend lavishly and I use gratitude there. Thank
Yes,
you that I have this much amount of money that I can spend on my luxurious goods and all.
yes, that's
But
very great.
when it comes to the receiving part ना there I have
Yes.
uh, a huge blockage I believe
Yeah, so
so.
for different people, it is different. For me, it was
Mm,
like while spending, but now
mm.
actually I have worked on it. Now consciously I try to do arigato. Okay, whenever I'm giving, so I feel gratitude. Yes, thank you. I'm able to get this thing I was desiring for so long. My desire is getting fulfilled. So you need to do this gratitude every time you are receiving, also every time you are giving, also.
Oh, I used to do money letter. So can I continue that actually?
Yes,
So
yes,
is it
definitely. That is very beautiful exercise. So
money
the
letter
more
for?
you can do, the more
Mm,
the more you will have that relationship with money. So in money
oh,
blueprint also we are identifying our blueprint. We are working. We will be doing affirmation and lot many things. Lot many tools are there. But one beautiful thing is like developing that friendly relationship with money. So we have to develop that friendly relationship with money. So money letter is definitely a wonderful tool to do that.
okay, Shweta. Thank you so
Yes.
much.
Yeah. Thank you. And now coming to power of beliefs, because everything is belief. We see life from the lenses of our belief. Beliefs are actually nothing but the thoughts that we held to be true. For me, let's say Lord Shiva is everything. He is the most powerful person. For you, he may not be nothing. He may be nothing. You feel okay, he's not something. I don't believe. It is mythology. So if for some foreigner, if you say, he will say, what is Shiva? What is, it is nothing. For me, Jesus is like, I don't believe in him. So beliefs are thoughts that we held to be true. And it happens because from childhood, my mother was also worshipping. I was also doing that. And then we collect the evidences for the same thing. How we collect the evidence? Like, I also pray to Shiva for some of the thing. If my wish get fulfilled, my this belief will get stronger and stronger and stronger. So what one thought we have, if we believe it to be true, and then we every time try to validate it, and when it validated for so long, then it becomes our blueprint. Not so blueprint, it becomes our belief, and from the beliefs only we get the thoughts going forward. So beliefs are not true, not false, not right or wrong. They are just the strong opinions. And we see the word, we don't see the word as it is, we see the word as we are. So whatever you are from inner, you will see the word that way. So for one person, you may see one me as something else, and another person can see me anything else. You may feel, okay, I'm inspiring. Other person can feel like now she is marketing. She is just telling some a faltu ka concept. So for same person also, everyone will be having the different opinions. So it is not right or wrong, but it comes from our seeing what we are, how we are seeing that people. And all these beliefs can be empowering or disempowering. And here in this blueprint exercise, you have to like Know what are your empowering beliefs, what are your disempowering beliefs, and in this movement you have the choice to choose the right beliefs. Now that you know, you will be getting to know your right beliefs and the wrong beliefs, and change the wrong beliefs that you are holding on unconsciously. Now you even love money, you do money gratitude, you do money letter, but subconsciously we operate from our subconscious most of the time. We operate from our feelings, not our conscious most of the time. 95% of the activities happen subconsciously. Our decisions also happen subconsciously. So it is important for you to know what are your disempowering beliefs so that you can correct them. And if you are here, I'll just tell you one simple exercise. Just for let's say 20 seconds, just see in your room everything that is black.
I think only my hair is black.
Okay. Just take 5 more seconds.
Bedsheet pillow is black.
You don't have to tell
Then
me. You don't have to tell me. Just observe.
okay.
Hmm. Last 5 seconds. Now don't look anywhere. Just tell me what you have seen. What all are the red things that you have seen? What all red things you have seen?
You told black, no?
Yes. But I'm now asking red. Have you noticed anything red?
No, you said black, so only black only.
So you haven't noticed anything red. Now observe for 5 seconds only. Can you find anything red?
Actually,
Yes.
I had noticed red because my daughter's cycle is red, no? So anyway, the picture is in my mind already. Black and red combination. So I have seen the
Okay,
red.
great. So here what I'm trying to tell. So whatever we see, actually we don't see the world as it is. We see from the lenses of our belief, from where our focus is going. If we believe this thing is gonna work for us, we will see that and we will make it work for ourselves. If we believe this thing is not gonna work for ourselves, we whatever we are believing, we will be having the same results in our life. So you will be focusing only to the things, to those things. Even you will be having lot many opportunities out there, but if your subconscious is not tuned to them, you will not be able to see them. You will just be focusing on the black, even though red is just beside you. Your focus will always be on the black, 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 black. I want money from here only. My money should come from this coaching only. My money should come from here only, from my husband only, from here only. You are blocking everything that is red. There are a lot many red opportunities are there, but you are blocking because your belief as a woman, for me, it was like my money will come from the man, from my husband. So I was blocking every opportunity out there that was there for me. So similarly, there are a lot many things. So I think today we will end here, and I would love to hear your experience, what you learned from this. I know it is a short call. So can you turn your video and just to let me know if it was useful, you like the concept?
Yes, blueprint I have heard. Can I speak now?
Yes, yes, definitely.
Yes, like before, like blueprint I have heard many times, but here I came to know about the money, and not only about the money, but as a in our practical life, like whatever blueprint, matlab, whatever thoughts and beliefs we have. So, and if you believe it is, matlab, it will work for us. For example, in case of money, if you have a strong belief, yeah, money will come to us, and we will be using it in for our use, then it is going definitely going inside our subconscious mind, and the universe will create that for us, and we will be
Yes.
getting that. But if we instead, if we have a wrong concept behind the money, that no, I'm not getting any much hard I can try, or for money I'm not going to receive it. So the universe will do the things in not against against the universe will be doing things against our favor.
Universe will not
And
be doing against us, but yes, you will not be getting the right opportunities, or you may not be able to utilize those opportunities.
yeah,
Opportunities may be there, like red color may be there, but you won't be able to see them because you are just focusing on the black. You won't be able to see them.
mm, yes, 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 yeah.
So thank you, and sorry I can't like take the full session. So next Saturday, no, not next Saturday. Actually, I'm traveling. So maybe next webinar I will try to do on Friday before leaving. So there I'll take the whole thing. And if you are interested, please do come. And Rachna, are you also here? Would you like to
Yeah,
share?
yeah. Yeah, no, thank you. It was a very good session actually. So overall, what one of the biggest takeaways, as we tell in the manifestation also, we don't attract what we want, we attract what we are actually. So
Yes,
we have to work on our
100%.
energy. So we have to work on our energy and shift the money beliefs that I had. I have to work on myself. That I
Yes,
know, but yes, it's a journey, correct?
yes.
So
And
yes, it
definitely
was a
as a
very good
webinar.
session.
So I would say if you are interested, you can schedule one-on-one call also with me. So I will tell more about my 3 months mentorship program. So this Money Blueprint is also a part of that program. So yes, if you are interested, do let me know. We can schedule one-on-one clarity call. You can message me separately on my WhatsApp. And right now I will close the session. So thank you so much for
Thank
joining.
you. Yeah.
Yes. Thank you, dears. Bye.
Thank you. Bye.